Guys, today I will be landing every Airbus, but make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Look at these things, bro. Now we'll be landing the 820. Let's get to it.
150.
That's a 10 out of 10, bro. That's really good. And now the 318. Look at this thing, bro. It's so small, bro. Six out of 10. And now the 389. A 7 out of 10. And now the A320. A 5 out of 10. Now the A321. A 6 out of 10. And now the A330. A 3 out of 10. And now the 330 again. A 0 out of 10, bro. What the heck was that, bro? No. And now the A330 Neo.
100.
And now the A340. A 4 out of 10. And now the A350. A 6 out of 10. And now the masterpiece A380. Look at this masterpiece, bro. Look. Just look, bro. I pay money for this. Literally money. To get popular in YouTube. But no one likes me. But look at this masterpiece, bro. Look at the interior. a 7.5 out of 10. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I gotta say this. Bye bye!